Hey friends, welcome to another laundry motivation video. In today's video, I'm going to be folding these towels, and there's also some baby clothes and some of my clothes underneath the towels. If you watched my previous video, you would remember I finished with hanging this load of white towels on the line, and I did indicate in that video that they ended up staying on the line for a couple days because it rained every day and I was not at home. So I ended up having to re-wash these, and they finally dried, and it is pretty late. Everybody's already in bed, but I need to get this task out of the way. I am tired. It's been a long day. I was out today as well. And so once I'm done folding, I just leave these in the living room and then I actually put them away the next day. So if you're here and you're here for some laundry motivation to work and get your laundry done, put me on your favorite device and let's get it all done together. I'll be here for 16 minutes, so it's another 15 minutes around about that time, so let's go. If you're new here, my name is Bevany and I share laundry motivation content as well as a little bit of cleaning, homemaking, and just mommy life content as well. But mostly you will find laundry motivation on my channel. I do line dry my clothes here in Jamaica. So if you like those kinds of videos, stick and stay by hitting the subscribe button. It only will take you like 2 seconds and it does help out my channel a lot. Another thing that helps my channel a lot is if you stick around and watch all the way to the end. If you're new, I love it when you guys say hello in the comments so I can welcome you to my little corner of YouTube, as I like to say, and also welcome you as an embracer. folded all the rags and towels, I just wanted to move them over to make some space to access the clothes that I have kind of sandwiched over in the corner of the couch there. So that's why I'm moving these out of the way so I can get to my clothes and the baby's clothes, which is what is coming up next. I do believe that I have footage of the laundry that I did with these baby clothes and my clothes. But I didn't add it to my last video. Sometimes I get confused. I had a rough week in laundry. I had a long week in general. So I'm a little bit out of it. But I think I have footage of that laundry. So I might load that video next. It should be on my phone. It shouldn't be lost or anything. It's just that I have a bit of footage and I need to go through and edit them in the correct order. So because I had the towels on the line in the last video, I thought this was gonna be the next video, but now as I am editing and watching, I realized that I had skipped out the part where I actually did the baby and me laundry. So I guess you guys will see that in another video. How's that for mommy brain? for those of you who are watching for the first time, I don't fold the baby's clothes. I fold like sheets, towels, rags, that sort of thing. But his onesies, his little rompers, even his bibs, as you can see right here, I hang them. It takes up less space, and we have this short closet bar in our bedroom closet, and his clothes are just perfect for the little space that's in between the closet bar and the shelf below it. So it worked out perfect. And then, I mean, his clothes are so tiny, I think it would be hard to fold them to make it sensible. I don't know, that's what I think. But yeah, so I hang his clothes, so that's what I'm doing here, putting them onto hangers. If you're working with me, we have 1 minute left. I do hope I gave you the motivation you needed to get through your own laundry related task, even if it wasn't folding clothes. I hope you got something laundry related done. That's what I'm here for. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for spending 16 minutes of your life with me. As always, I will see you right here in another couple days with a brand new video. Bye.